Good morning to all. Now today we will see the IUPAC nomenclatures of alcohol. Okay, जे alcohol चे IUPAC nomenclature. Now we know that in case of nomenclature system, समजा nomenclature system असेल. For example, in case of nomenclature system, so today's topic is what? Nomenclature of alcohol. But in case of nomenclature of alcohol, there are the two systems. One is common name system and second one it is the IUPAC name system. So first we will see common name system. Common name system. For example, CH3OH. Now we know that generally that CH3 group, it is known as the methyl group and OH stand for alcohol. So generally we say it as a methyl alcohol. It is the common name of that compound. So we can say it is as a methyl alcohol or methyl alcohol. Secondly, suppose we take here CH3, CH2, single bond OH. Now, how many carbon atoms are present here? Yes, here presence of 2 carbon atoms. If 2 carbon atoms are present, then name of that alkyl group is what? CH3 single bond CH2. So that alkyl group name is ethyl group. And OH is attached, therefore it is also known as the ethyl alcohol. So again it is ethyl alcohol. Okay. Third name is, suppose we take here CH3, single bond CH, single bond OH, single bond CH3. So OH is present at the central carbon atom. Suppose we break the bond from this OH. समजा या OH पासून जर आपण बॉन्ड ब्रेक केले तर काय होते की दोन्ही साइडला आपल्याला सेम अल्किल ग्रुप मिळतात. म्हणजे या साइडला पण मिथिल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, इथे पण मिथिल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे. सो वी गेट व्हाट? टू सेम अल्किल ग्रुप ऑन बोथ साइड when we break the bond from OH. Therefore it is the similar compound, symmetrical compound, and that's why we can write here iso. Iso, it is the prefix before writing the common name of that compound. Therefore iso dash 1 2 3 carbon atom containing alkyl group is propyl group. So isopropyl alcohol. It is known as isopropyl alcohol. Suppose we take the fourth example. In case of fourth example, suppose we take CH3, single bond carbon, single bond CH3. Again here single bond CH3 and single bond OH. Okay. Now it is the tertiary carbon atom is present here. In case of this compound, this carbon atom or that one carbon atom, they are called as a primary carbon atom. In the previous lecture we see that primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. मागच्याच लेक्चर मध्ये आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल कशाला म्हणतात, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहोल कोणता असतो आणि टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल मीन्स व्हाट. सो देखो यहाँ पर ये जो कंपाउंड दिया आपको CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड OH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. सो इट इज अ सेकेंडरी कंपाउंड and we write here isopropyl alcohol. But in case of this carbon atom is present, that carbon atom called as a tertiary carbon atom, and therefore its IUPAC name is, so its common name is, before writing the common name we use the word tertiary. Therefore we can write here tertiary, TERT, tertiary dot. Now this 1 2 3 4, count the total carbon atom present in the compound. So therefore 4 carbon atom are present. जर 4 carbon atom present असेल, then that alkyl group is what? Butyl group. Yes, that alkyl group is what? Butyl. So tertiary butyl, then alcohol. So its common name is what? Tertiary butyl alcohol. Suppose we take again one example, CH3, single bond CH, single bond OH, single bond CH2, again single bond with CH3. Now look at here, this OH group is attached to which carbon atom? Secondary carbon atom. Correct? This carbon atom is directly attached to only 2 carbon atom. This is one and this is the second. Therefore, the nature of this carbon atom is what? It is the secondary carbon atom. Nature of the carbon atom is secondary, and it is secondary alcohol. So we can write in the common name, it is secondary, SEC, secondary dot, that is secondary 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore again butyl alcohol. नो वन थिंग इज नोटिस दॅट. पहा आता एक गोष्ट आपण लक्षात ठेवा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सेकंडरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल किंवा टर्शरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल, दोघांचा पण स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला डिफरंट आहे, पण त्यांचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे. जर मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम असेल आणि आपल्याला एखाद्या ठिकाणावरून सपोज टर्शरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल मागवायचे अँड बोथ हॅव्हिंग द सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, सो वी मे गेट कन्फ्युज. समजा आपण जर सांगितलं की मला C4 देन H9 and here OH हा कंपाउंड मागवायचा. सो ऍट दॅट टाइम वी मे गेट कन्फ्युज और दॅट डिस्ट्रीब्युटर मे गेट कन्फ्युज. जो डिस्ट्रीब्युटर आहे, जो आपल्याला केमिकल देणार आहे, तो सुद्धा कन्फ्युज होऊ शकतो की यांना सेकंडरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल द्यायचंय का टर्शरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल. सो ऍट दॅट केस वेन दॅट डिस्ट्रीब्युटर गेट कन्फ्युज, सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज वन नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टीम इज generated and that nomenclature system it is accepted throughout the world. जी थ्रूआउट द वर्ल्ड ती नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टीम एक्सेप्ट केल्या गेलेली आहे. सो दॅट नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टीम इज कॉल्ड एज द IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टीम. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हे जे कॉमन नेम आहे, जसं आपल्या घरचं एखादं कॉमन नेम असते, घरी आपल्याला चिंटू, पिंटू, काही जे काही कॉमन नेम घेत असतील, तर कॉमन नेम कसं आहे की घरचं राहिलेलं आहे. पण कॉलेजेसमध्ये किंवा शाळांमध्ये किंवा बाहेर जर तुम्ही गेले, तुमच्या मार्कशीटवर चिंटू पिंटू लिहून येते का? नाही येत ना. तर कारण कशासाठी की ते कॉमन नेम आहे. पण IUPAC नेम जेव्हा घेतो आपण, तर IUPAC नेम इट इज एक्सेप्टेड थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. पूर्ण जगामध्ये IUPAC नेम एक्सेप्ट केला गेलेला आहे. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण एखाद्या कंपाऊंडचा IUPAC नेम सेंड करतो किंवा IUPAC नेम देतो, त्यावेळेस त्या IUPAC नेम, त्या IUPAC नेमचा एकच व्यक्ती किंवा एकच तेवढा कंपाऊंड राहणार आहे की त्याला दुसरा IUPAC नेम आपण नाही देत. ओके. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज there is a second nomenclature system called as a IUPAC nomenclature system. ही कॉमन नेम समजले सगळ्यांना? पहा, मिथिल अल्कोहोल, दिस इज इथाइल अल्कोहोल, दिस वन इज आयसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहोल, दिस वन इज टर्शरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल अँड दिस वन इज सेकंडरी ब्युटाइल अल्कोहोल. ओके. पहा आता सेकंड नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टीम. So first nomenclature system is common name system and second one it is IUPAC name system. Here IUPAC name system. Now look at here. In case of IUPAC name system, that IUPAC itself stand for I means international, Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is known as IUPAC name system. I stand for international, U stand for union, P stand for pure, A stand for applied and C stand for the chemistry. So IUPAC name system it is accepted throughout the world, therefore it will having some rules. Okay. आपण याची वन बाय वन रूल पाहू. फर्स्ट रूल इज व्हॉट? हियर रूल्स. सो फर्स्ट रूल इज व्हॉट? इन केस ऑफ अल्कोहोल the longest continuous carbon atom chain. So carbon, longest continuous carbon chain rule. So here the longest continuous carbon atom chain containing OH group, is select as a parent. system. As a parent system म्हणून त्याला कन्सिडर करणार. ओके. सेकंड, द नंबरिंग टू कार्बन एटम. कार्बन एटमला नंबरिंग द्यायचंय. सो द नंबरिंग टू द कार्बन एटम the numbering to the carbon atom is start from that end which is nearer to hydroxyl group, Okay, so this is the second rule. First rule is longest chain select as a parent. Second rule is numbering to carbon atom is start from that end which is nearer to the hydroxyl group. So this is the second rule. Third rule is what? The ending letter E from alkane. So in case of alkane we can write ALKANE. Ending letter is E. So the ending letter E from alkane is replaced by OL. So here minus E and here write down OL. That is alkane get converted into alkanol. Therefore ALKANOL. Ending letter E is replaced by OL. So it is called as what? Alkanol. Next, if two or more same alkyl group are present, then write down that then prefix di, tri, tetra before the name of alkyl group. Okay, suppose here two or more same alkyl group, we can say same alkyl group or as a substituent or as a branch, same alkyl group or a substituent are present, then prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. Okay, then prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. before the name of alkyl group. Okay, before name of alkyl group, before the name of alkyl group. Okay, before the name of alkyl group. So this is the fourth rule. Then fifth rule is what? To look at here. Fifth rule, if two or more different groups are present, then write them according to their alphabetical order. And again one important rule is there. If two or more hydroxyl groups are present, then the ending letter E of alkane is remain as it is. Then the ending letter E of alkane is remain as it is, and prefix di, tri, tetra, etc. before hydroxyl group, before name of hydroxyl group. Okay, so these are the some rules, IUPAC rules, that IUPAC and it will having that rules. So according to that rule, now we will see how to write the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. So there are total 5 rule. 5 rule आहे. पहिला रूल आपण पाहिला की longest continuous carbon atom chain containing hydroxyl group. ज्या ग्रुप मध्ये ज्या चेन मध्ये हायड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप म्हणजे OH प्रेझेंट असेल, इट इज सिलेक्ट एज अ पॅरेंट सिस्टीम. दूसरा रूल पाहिला, the numbering to carbon atom start from that end which is nearer to hydroxyl group. नंबरिंग त्या एंड पासून सुरू करायची आहे जिथे हायड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप जवळ आहे. तिसरा रूल आपण पाहिलेला आहे, इफ 2 or more alkyl group are present then prefix di, tri, tetra before the name of alkyl group. If 2 or more different alkyl group are present then write them according to alphabetical order. So one by one आपण पाहणार आहे की how that rule they are apply on the corresponding nomenclature system. Now look at here. पहा आता, समजा फर्स्ट IUPAC नेम लिहायचं आपल्याला. सपोज CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड OH आहे. याचा IUPAC नेम काय होणार? एकच कार्बन ॲटम प्रेझेंट आहे, ओनली वन कार्बन ॲटम इज प्रेझेंट, देअरफॉर इट इज मिथिल अल्कोहोल. मिथिल अल्कोहोल इज कॉमन नेम, बट IUPAC नेम one carbon atom containing alkane is what? Methane. So we can write here methane, but ending letter E is replaced by OL according to our IUPAC rule. So that E is replaced here, methane, ending letter E is replaced by OL, therefore it is called as methanol. Secondly, CH3 CH2OH. पहा आता, OH ज्या साइडने जवळ आहे त्या साइडने नंबरिंग द्यायची आपल्याला. सेकंड रूल अप्लाय करू आपण. दिस इज अवर लॉंगेस्ट कंटिन्युअस चेन. इट विल कन्सिस्ट ऑफ OH ग्रुप अँड ज्या साइडला OH ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहे, नंबरिंग टू कार्बन ॲटम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट एंड विच इज नियरर टू द OH group. Therefore 1 and here 2. Now 2 carbon atom containing alkane is ethane. So we can write here ethane, ETHANE. Again ending letter E is replaced by OL. Therefore ethane dash, first position where OH present है, therefore 1 dash all, that is ethane 1 all. Okay, or ethanol. So this is first, second, third, CH3 CH2 CH OH CH3, like this. Now 1 2 3 4. So there are 2 ways to give the numbering. Suppose we want to give the numbering from this side. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually according to IUPAC nomenclature system, this is the wrong way. Therefore, we can give the numbering to this carbon atom from this side, okay, right hand side. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. At second carbon atom there is presence of OH. So we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore butane. Again ending letter E is replaced by OL. So butane dash, second position where OH present है म्हणून 2 and here all. So butane 2 all. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now next, CH3 CH, here OH, here CH, here OH, here CH3. Now how many OH group are present? 2 OH group are present. Therefore the ending letter E of alkane is remain as it is. So simply we give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Second and third were OH group present. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. Second and third carbon atom. So both side numbering is same. Therefore we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4. From on second carbon atom OH is present and on third carbon atom also OH is present. So we can write here butane. Now ending letter E is remain as it is. Therefore butane dash 2, 3 dash 2. 2 times OH is present. Therefore we can write here di dash all. That is butane 2, 3 diol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. Next one, suppose we can write here CH3 CH, CH3 CH3, here CH2, here OH. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th compound. And I want to give the IUPAC name to this compound. So how we can give the IUPAC name? Again, longest continuous carbon atom chain select as a parent. Therefore, this is our parent system. Numbering to carbon atom is start from that end which is nearer to OH. Therefore, we give the numbering 1, here 2 and here 3. But look at here at second position, there is presence of 2 methyl group. 2 methyl group present is second position. So, we can write here, first write down that name of alkyl group or branch is present here. So, 2, 2. 2 times present, therefore 2, 2 dimethyl dash. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom containing alkane is what? Propane. Therefore we can write here propane. But again ending letter E is replaced by OL. Therefore propane. And OH is present at first position. So propane dash 1 dash all. So it is known as 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1 all. Okay. And last example is CH3, CH, here CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2OH. Okay. So here two branches are present. One is methyl group and second one is ethyl group. So two different branches are present. Again our next rule is what? Write them according to their alphabetical order. म्हणजे दोन्ही ब्रांचेसचं नाव सुरुवातीला लिहायचं आपल्याला. सगळ्यात आधी नाव लिहायचे. So first we can write the name of ethyl group, then we can write the name of methyl group. So again longest continuous chain. This is our longest continuous chain. It is select as a parent. Now numbering start from that end. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. At second position ethyl group is present and at third position there is presence of methyl group. So we can write here 2 ethyl, 3 methyl dash 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom containing alkane is butane. So dash butane. Again ending letter E is replaced by OL and at first position OH is present. So butane 1 all. Okay. So in this way, this is the IUPAC names of different alcohols. And we can finish here. Very simple IUPAC rules. Only 5 rules are there. First rule is what? Longest continuous chain is select as a parent. Second one, numbering start from that end which is nearer to hydroxyl group. Third rule is what? If 2 or more different branches are present, then write them according to alphabetical order. If 2 or more same branches are present, then prefix them di, tri, tetra before the name of alkyl group. And if more than one hydroxyl group are